Hey everyone, it's Tiffany with Thrifty Tiffany, and I am back. I wanted to hop on and show you guys I am making pumpkin bread using all Dollar Tree products. So I have looked online, got the recipe for a pumpkin bread, and this is the one that I'm using. It's by Once Upon a Chef, and these are the ingredients, and every ingredient you can find at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to show you real quick. Those are the ingredients. If you want to look that up. It makes 2 pans, and I got both of those bread pans from the Dollar Tree right there. My Dollar Tree mixing bowl and all the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and show you. And also I love this measuring spoon because you just have to move it like this depending on what it is. I love this spoon, and it's from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I got this 100% pure pumpkin. And you need a 15-ounce can, and it's by Pampa. I believe that's what it's called. You got the canola spray to spray the pans, nutmeg, and they have a bunch of these type of seasonings right now: ground cloves and ground cinnamon. 2 eggs, butter. Both of these are bought from the Dollar Tree. We have baking soda. This is if you have the refrigerated section. We got baking soda. This one is from the Dollar Tree also. Everything. Even the baking powder, and then the pure vanilla. I have been using this vanilla like crazy. It's really good. So there's actually a good bit in this little container, and this is the recipe. So I'm just going to show you that, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so for the first thing it asked me to do is to spray the baking pans. Oh, that did a wide spray all over. That's a good spray. Got all on the sides. Yep, got all on the sides. So just sprayed it really good. Also forgot to show you, I got this flour, this bonus buy from the Dollar Tree, and this type of sugar. They had this a while back, and I still have it. I bought 2 bags when they had it. Let me make sure it's not expired. No, it's not expired till 2020. So I have this. It's pure cane sugar, so I will be using that. So I have my 2 cups of flour, and then now I got to get how much sugar? 2 cups of sugar. Okay, I just forgot I was recording, and I added, let me tell you what I added. The recipe calls for a teaspoon of ground cloves, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then it says to mix that to the 2 cups of flour. So I took those 3 spices. Whoo, it smells strong though. I'm thinking that's a teaspoon. This teaspoon seems kind of big. I mean, it's little, but I don't know. It's very strong, but it's in there, so it doesn't look too strong. But I had this in there to mix it around. It just says to mix it around in the flour and let it set aside. So I'm doing that. And then the next step is to in a large bowl, mix the butter and the sugar. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'll put the 1.5 sticks of butter. And this is the 2 cups of sugar. This is the pure cane sugar right here. So I'm going to add that to this and beat them together. I'm going to do that. This bowl comes in handy from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I did that. Now it says to add the pumpkin. So I'm going to add the pumpkin. Let's see if that's not going to work. Let me see. I don't want to cover up the... Woo! That all came out. You know what? This recipe doesn't ask for vanilla, but I'm going to add it. I just like vanilla in breads. Okay, so I got that. Let's see. And it says, hold on, mix this. Beat the pumpkin in the mixture until it looks grainy and curdled. Okay? So it's supposed to look grainy and curdled. Still in the inside. Smells like baby food. Okay. Okay, so it's all mixed together, and it doesn't have vanilla in the recipe, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it. I'll just finish up that bottle. There you go. That lasted a while. That made pancakes, French toast, and now this bread. And this bread's gonna make 2 loaves. So now it says add flour mixture and mix on low speed. So now we're gonna add flour. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time, so it doesn't go everywhere. All right. I'm gonna alternate egg and flour. So there's 1 egg. Go ahead and mix it some. Okay. Ooh, this makes a bunch of batter, y'all. Smells like fall in here. Definitely strong on the pumpkin spice. I'm not a big clove or nutmeg person, hopefully. I love cinnamon. Let's add another egg. If you hear, okay, I'm gonna mix this. Yeah, okay, so this is the mixture. We got it all mixed. Now I'm gonna pour it in here. Kaya's filming. Can they see? I guess you just half it. I know that was more than half right there. I hope this turns out good. If it does, I'll let you guys know. All right, we're gonna put that in the oven. Oop, let me get this last bit. We're gonna put that in the oven and put it on 325, and then we'll let you see what it. Here are the beautiful pumpkin breads. I'm so excited. Really, really. Again, this is the recipe. I already got stuff on it now, but this is the recipe. It's online. Ooh, it went blurry on me. And this is what they look like. I will wait a second and then cut one just so you can see. And yeah, they are sitting here resting. Oh gosh, y'all, they look and smell amazing. The whole house smells like fall. I'm gonna put them in my cake dish right here. Just amazing. I hope they taste amazing. The spices seem strong, but maybe for both of those, that was a decent amount. It's my first time making that recipe, so I can't wait to see. Ooh, I just tasted some. It's good. Cash, Cayman, and Kaya. It's done. Look at the inside of this wonderful bread. This is amazing. And who would have ever thought? Dollar Tree products. It's so good. It's so fresh. Oh, it's so good. And the spices aren't too strong. It's actually subtle. It's really, really good. I absolutely love it. Yes. Okay, so this is the pumpkin. I cut some pieces. Cayman's eating one. You like it, Cayman?
Yes.
It's good. Kaya is getting her some right there. Woo! Cayman's cut. Cayman, hold on. That's getting bigger and bigger. What? Ooh, that's hot, son. That's hot. Kaya's getting her some more. Everybody's getting some more. That pumpkin bread's almost gone. We still have another one though. And just put the other one in here. So we have an extra one. They are tearing that one up right